gather around. The night is alive. The speakers are ready. The roots are calling. From the old earth, from the deep waters, from the heartbeat of the people. Feel the bass, feel the foundation. Tonight we return to the roots. Welcome to the Roots Revival Bass Session.
Setting me free, bassline rolling deep and slow, like an ancient river flow. Every heartbeat finds the groove, every soul begins to move. Old traditions come alive, through the rhythm we survive. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, nature moving with such ease. Every echo, every sound brings a deeper peace around. Roots Revival Bass Session, moving through the night. Roots Revival Bass Session, everything feels right. Roots Revival Bass Session, flowing through my soul. Roots Revival Bass Session, making broken spirits whole. Sound system standing proud and tall, heavy vibrations touching all. Old dub echoes fill the air, positive energy everywhere. Brother, sister, side by side, moving with the ocean tide. Different voices, one heartbeat, dancing to the reggae beat. Bass is deep beneath the stars, healing old and hidden scars. Every rhythm, every tone makes this island feel like home. Roots Revival Bass Session, moving through the night. Roots Revival Bass Session, everything feels right. Roots Revival Bass Session, flowing through my soul. Roots Revival Bass Session, making broken spirits whole. Heavy bass, rolling low, ancient roots start to grow. Echoes drifting near and far, guided by the moon and stars. One people, one sound, strong vibrations all around. Close your eyes, feel the flow. Let the roots inside you grow. Morning sunlight starts to rise, golden colors fill the skies. Still the rhythm stays within, like the wind upon my skin. Every lesson from the night helps ocean tide. Roots revival bass session with love as our guide. The speakers grow silent, but the vibration remains in the roots, in the mountains, in the ocean waves. And inside every heart, the session may end, but the journey continues. Carry the rhythm, carry the wisdom, carry the bass, until we gather again under another moon, beside another sound system. One love, one roots, one bassline. Roots revival bass session, forever fade into the echoes. Deep in the night, can you feel it? The earth is breathing. The speakers are calling from the mountains to the shoreline. One rhythm, one vibration. Heavy roots, heavy bass, dub pressure, right. Standing strong and tall, heavy vibrations touching all. Blowing thunder fills the air, positive energy everywhere. Ocean whispers to the moon, bassline humming a steady tune. Every drum and every beat moves the ground beneath our feet. Brothers, sisters, side by side, moving with the rising tide. One foundation, one desire, pressure. Lift your hands up high. Heavy roots dub pressure, like thunder in the sky. The night grows quiet, but the vibration remains in the earth, in the sea, in every heartbeat. Heavy roots, heavy bass, heavy pressure. Forever, dub lives on. Dub lives on.
Some frequencies are heard, some frequencies are felt, and some frequencies live inside the soul, beyond the noise, beyond the worry, beyond the passing days. There is a vibration, ancient, peaceful, infinite. Tonight, open your heart, tune your spirit to the spiritual dub frequency. Across the sea, gentle waves are calling me. Bass is moving deep and slow, like the rivers that softly flow. Every heartbeat finds its place, moving with amazing grace. Every echo in the night leads my spirit to the light. Palm trees sway beneath the stars, healing hidden scars. Every rhythm, every tone makes this island feel like home. Spiritual dub frequency flowing through my soul. Spiritual dub frequency making broken spirits whole. Spiritual dub frequency moving wild and free. Spiritual dub frequency, like the waves upon the sea. Far away the speakers play, sending wisdom through the bay. Heavy roots and deep dub flow, like an ancient river's glow. Brothers, sisters, side by side, moving with the ocean tide, hand in hand beneath the sky. Watching silent clouds drift by. Every rhythm tells a story, every sound reflects the glory of the earth and of the sea, living in harmony. Spiritual dub frequency flowing through my soul. Spiritual dub frequency making broken spirits whole. Spiritual dub frequency moving wild and free. Spiritual dub frequency like the waves upon the sea.
frequency never ends. It only changes form, from sound to memory, from memory to wisdom, from wisdom to light. The speakers may rest, the echoes may fade, but the vibration continues through the roots, through the oceans, through the generations. Carry this frequency within you. Carry this peace, carry this balance, until the next moonrise, until the next bassline calls. Spiritual dub frequency, forever resonating, forever flowing, forever alive.
Boom, 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 boom. Feel like vibration, not just a sound, a heartbeat. From the islands, from the roots, from the earth beneath your feet. The stars are watching, the ocean is breathing, and the bass is speaking slowly, deeply, naturally. Let the pressure fade away, let the rhythm guide your mind. Welcome to island-based meditation. Night falls softly on the bay, ocean waves begin to play. Bassline moving calm and slow, like the tides that gently flow. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, nature moving with such ease. Every heartbeat finds a place, floating in this peaceful space. Moonlight shining on the sand, magic flowing to the land. Every echo, every tone makes this island feel like home. Island-based meditation, flowing to the sea. Island-based meditation, setting my spirit free. Island-based meditation, deep inside my soul. Oh, island-based meditation, making my heart whole. Far away the speakers play, sending vibrations through the bay. Heavy bass beneath the stars, traveling near and traveling far. Every rhythm tells a tale, carried by the midnight gale. Every drum and every beat moves the earth beneath my feet. Brothers, sisters, gather near, sharing love without fear. One vibration, one embrace, peace and harmony in this place. Silent-based meditation, flowing through the sea. Island-based meditation, setting my spirit free. Oh, island-based meditation, deep inside my soul. Island-based meditation, making my heart whole. Bass below, stars above, roots and rhythm, peace and love. Echoes drifting through the night, guided by the moonlight. Slow vibration, meditation. Island roots, celebration. clouds are slowly floating by. Still the bass remains inside, like the ocean and the tide. Every lesson from the night leads my spirit to the light. Step by step and day by day, music helps me find my way. Roots grow deep beneath the ground. Strength and wisdom can be found. Every note and every song shows us where we all belong. Island bass meditation flowing through the sea. Island bass meditation setting my spirit free. Oh, island bass meditation deep inside my soul. Oh, island bass meditation making my heart go. Island bass meditation, strong as the rising tide. Island bass meditation with the roots as my guide. The last speaker fades, but the vibration continues. Across the water, across the islands, across the generations, the bass becomes the ocean becomes the rhythm becomes the memory. Carry it with you, wherever the road may lead. One heartbeat, one bassline, one island vibration. Until the next session, until the next moonrise. Island bass meditation, still echoing, still flowing, still alive.
Tonight, the ground will shake, not with fear, but with vibration. The speakers are breathing, the bass is rising from the roots of the earth to the stars above. Let the pressure find you, let the rhythm surround you. One sound, one people, one bassline. Heavy roots, the pressure.
The night is deep, the air is warm, bass is rolling like a storm. Slow and heavy, low and wide, like the ocean's endless tide. Every heartbeat feels the sound, heavy vibrations all around. Every echo fills the sky as the moon is shining high. Palm trees moving in the breeze, nature flowing with such ease. Every note and every tone makes this island feel like home. Heavy roots, the pressure, moving through the night. Heavy roots, the pressure, everything feels right. Heavy roots, the pressure, flowing to my soul. Heavy roots, the pressure, making broken spirits whole.
vibration calling, spirit growing. Heavy roots, heavy sound, positive vibration all around. Feel the rhythm, feel the flow. Let the inner wisdom grow. Morning light begins to shine. Still the rhythm fills my mind. Like a river running deep, promises the roots will keep. Every lesson from the night leads my spirit to the light. Step by step and day by day, music helps me find my way. Roots grow strong beneath the ground. Strength and peace can both be found. Every note and every song shows us where we all belong. Heavy roots dub pressure, moving through the night. Heavy roots dub pressure, everything feels right. Heavy roots dub pressure, flowing through my soul. Heavy roots dub pressure, making broken spirits whole. Heavy roots dub pressure, strong as the ocean tide. Heavy roots dub pressure, with the roots as my guide. The sound system rests, but the bass remains. In the sand, in the trees, in the hearts of the people. The pressure becomes memory, the memory becomes rhythm, and the rhythm becomes life. When the next moon rises, the speakers will call again. The roots will answer again, and the vibration will return. Stronger, deeper, wiser. Heavy roots, the pressure, still rolling through the night, still echoing through the roots, forever. Far beyond the noise, beyond the rush, beyond the fear, there is a frequency, a vibration, ancient as the ocean, deep as the roots. Feel the bass, feel the connection. Tune your spirit to the dub frequency. Moonlight shining on the sea, gentle waves are calling me. Bass is rolling through the night, leading me toward the light. Every heartbeat finds a place, moving with amazing grace. Every echo, every tone makes this world feel like home. Mountain winds begin to sing, simple joy in everything. Nature speaks without a word, in every sound that can be heard. Spiritual love frequency flowing through my soul. Spiritual love frequency making broken spirits whole. Spiritual love frequency guiding me tonight. Spiritual love frequency leading me to life. Sound system beside the shore, heavy bass forevermore. Hold up, echoes fill the air, positive vibrations everywhere. People gather hand in hand, spread across the land. Different voices, one heartbeat, moving to the reggae beat. Ocean whispers soft and low, teaching what we need to know. Love is stronger than the fear when the vibration is clear. Spiritual dub frequency flowing through my soul. Oh, spiritual dub frequency making broken spirits whole. Spiritual dub frequency guiding me tonight. Spiritual dub frequency leading me to life. Deep vibration, meditation, roots foundation, elevation, bass and drum, drum and bass, moving through this sacred space. Close your eyes, feel the flow, let the inner wisdom grow. One rhythm, one sound, healing energy all around. Morning sunlight paints the sky, clouds are slowly drifting by. Still the bass remains inside, like the ocean and the tide. Every lesson from the night helps me see a brighter light. Step by step and day by day, love will always lead the way. Roots run deep beneath the ground, strength and peace are always found. Every note and every song shows us where we all belong. Spiritual dub frequency flowing through my soul. Spiritual dub frequency making broken spirits whole. Spiritual dub frequency guiding me tonight. Spiritual dub frequency leading me to light. Spiritual dub frequency strong as the ocean tide. Yeah, spiritual dub frequency with love as my guide. The night becomes silence, but the vibration remains. In the earth, in the water, in the stars above, and inside every living heart. Carry this frequency, carry this peace, carry this light. Wherever you go, the roots remain, the bass remains, the spirit remains. Spiritual dub frequency, spiritual, forever flowing, forever flowing, forever growing. Into the horizon, into the echoes, into the roots. Fade away, fade away. Midnight, the world grows quiet. The city lights fade away, but somewhere a bassline awakens across the shoreline, across the hills, across the sleeping island. The sound system is calling, not with words, but with vibration. Follow the echo, follow the rhythm. Your journey begins now. The moon is high above the sea. Silver light is touching me. Bass is moving deep and slow, like the tides that gently flow. Every wave and every breeze brings my restless mind to ease. Every heartbeat finds the groove. Every soul begins to move. Palm trees dancing in the dark. Fireflies shine like tiny sparks. Every echo, every tone makes this island feel like home. Midnight sound system journey through the stars above. Midnight sound system journey powered by peace and love. Midnight sound system journey flowing through my soul. Midnight sound system journey making broken spirits whole. Far away the speakers play, sending bass across the bay. Heavy roots and deep dub flow, like an ancient river's glow. Brothers, sisters gather near, sharing joy without fear. Hand in hand beneath the sky, watching silent clouds drift by. Every rhythm tells a story. Every sound reflects the glory of the earth and of the sea, living in harmony. Midnight sound system journey through the stars above. Midnight sound system journey powered by peace and love. Midnight sound system journey flowing through my soul. Midnight sound system journey making broken spirits whole. Bassline rolling, moonlight shining, ocean breathing, perfect timing. Roots vibration, meditation, sound system celebration. One heartbeat, one sound, positive energy all around. Morning colors touch the sky. Clouds are slowly floating by. Still the bass remains inside, like the ocean and the tide. Every lesson from the night leads my spirit to the light. Step by step and day by day, music helps me find my way. Roots grow strong beneath the ground, wisdom waiting to be found. Every note and every sound session is ending, but the road continues. The speakers fall silent, yet the bass keeps traveling through the sun, through the water, through the memories of this night. Every echo becomes a footprint. Every vibration becomes a story. Carry the rhythm on, carry the roots within. And when the next midnight arrives, listen carefully. You will hear it again. A distant bass line, a familiar call. Another midnight sound system journey, waiting beyond the horizon. Forever rolling, forever alive. Oh, ah, ah. Oh, ah, ah. The moon is rising over the sea. Cool night breeze is calling me. Far away, the waves roll slow. Deep bass vibrations start to flow. Under the stars I close my eyes, feel the rhythm of the island sky. No more worries, no more pain, just the sound like falling rain. Take my soul across the tide, let the low end be my guide. Every heartbeat, every breath, moving with the bass instead. Deep bass island meditation, sweet vibration, liberation. Feel the earth beneath your feet, let the rhythm make you free. Deep bass island meditation, positive vibration. Through the night and through the day, let the music lead the way. Palm trees dancing in the wind, every ending, every begin. Echoes travel through the night like a river made of light. Old sound system by the shore, heavy bass forevermore. Every drop and every tone makes this island feel like home. Take my soul across the tide, let the low end be my guide. Every heartbeat, every breath, moving with the bass instead. Deep bass island meditation, sweet vibration, liberation. Feel the earth beneath your feet, let the rhythm make you free. Deep bass island meditation, positive vibration. Through the night and through the day, let the music lead the way. Bass so deep, bass so low, feel the energy flow and grow. Echoes rising in the air, island spirit everywhere. Bass and drum, drum and bass, moving through this sacred space. Close your eyes and drift away, let the sound system stay. Morning sunlight starts to shine, still the groove is on my mind. Every heartbeat feels so strong, like the bass inside this song.
vibration whispers calm and clear. Only love is living here. One vibration, one sweet sound. Roots and harmony all around. Deep bass, silent meditation. Sweet vibration, liberation. Feel the earth beneath your feet. Let the rhythm make you free. Deep bass, silent meditation. Positive vibration. Through the night and through the day. Let the music lead the way. Deep bass, moving through my soul. Deep bass, making spirits whole. Island breeze and moonlight glow. Deep bass, let it flow. Deep bass, let it flow. Deep bass, let it flow. Deep bass, let it flow.
In the darkness, before the first rhythm, before the first drum, there is a pulse deep beneath the earth, deep beneath the sea, a vibration older than time. Tonight the roots awaken, the bass speaks, and the journey begins. Welcome to the Heavy Dub Roots experience. The night is calm, the stars are bright. Bass vibrations fill the night, rolling slowly through the land, like footprints written in the sand. Every heartbeat finds the groove, every spirit starts to move. Deep roots growing strong below, like the rivers that always flow. Palm trees whisper in the breeze, nature moving with such ease. Every echo, every tone makes this journey feel like home. Heavy Dub Roots experience flowing through my soul. Heavy Dub Roots experience making broken spirits whole. Heavy Dub Roots experience moving wild and free. Heavy Dub Roots experience like the waves upon the sea. Sound system standing by the shore. Heavy bass forevermore. Speaker boxes tall and wide, sending pressure like the tide. People gather hand in hand, united across the land. Different stories, different names, but the rhythm stays the same. Moonlight shining on the bay, guiding every step and way. Every drum and every beat moves the earth beneath my feet. Heavy Dub Roots experience flowing through my soul. Heavy Dub Roots experience making broken spirits whole. Heavy Dub Roots experience moving wild and free. Heavy Dub Roots experience like the waves upon the sea. Bass pressure, feel it rise. Open up your inner eyes. Echoes travel near and far, guided by the moon and stars. Deep vibration, meditation.
sleeping islands, the speakers rest, but the roots remain, the bass remains, the vibration remains. In every heartbeat, in every memory, in every soul touched by the sound. Until another night, until another gathering, until another bassline calls. Heavy dub roots experience, living in the echoes, living in the roots, forever, forever.
Take a moment, leave the noise behind, leave the busy world behind. Tonight, there is no hurry, only rhythm, only roots, only vibration. The bass is not here to shake you, the bass is here to heal you. Let the sound travel through your heart. Welcome to deep reggae bass therapy. The ocean sings a gentle song, the night feels peaceful and strong. Bass is moving deep and low, like the rivers that softly flow. Every heartbeat finds the groove, every spirit starts to move. Every echo in the air brings a feeling free from care. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, nature moving with such ease. Moonlight shining on the sea, like a dream surrounding me, yeah. Deep reggae bass therapy, flowing through my soul. Deep reggae bass therapy, making broken spirits whole. Deep reggae bass therapy, washing stress away. Deep reggae bass therapy, guiding me today. Far away the sound system plays, sending warmth through ocean haze. Heavy roots and deep dub flow, like an ancient river's glow. Brothers, sisters, gather near, sharing joy without fear. Hand in hand beneath the sky, watching silent clouds drift by. Every rhythm tells a story, every sound reflects the glory of the earth and of the sea, living in harmony. Deep reggae bass therapy, flowing through my soul. Deep reggae bass therapy, making broken spirits whole. Deep reggae bass therapy, washing stress away. Deep reggae bass therapy, guiding me today. Deep vibration, healing sensation, roots foundation, meditation. Bassline rolling, ocean calling, spirit rising, pressure falling. Close your eyes, feel the flow. Let the positive energy grow. Morning colors paint the sky, clouds are slowly drifting by. Still the bass remains inside, like the ocean and the tide.
is ending, but the healing continues. The bass into the distance, like waves returning to the sea. Carry this calmness, carry this rhythm, carry this peace into your morning, into your journey, into every step ahead. The roots remain, the wisdom remains, the vibration remains deep within your soul, deep within your heartbeat. Deep reggae bass therapy until the next vibration, until the next sunset session. One love, one bass, one heat.